Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now we're gonna pick up my clothes for school. You guys are gonna help me pick up my clothes for school, and yeah, we're just gonna pick up my clothes. And don't forget to comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, we're back, guys. I just had to go use a quick bathroom. So, guys, you guys are going to help me, and we're going to see what shirt I should wear. Ooh, does this shirt look good, y'all? Do y'all think? Guys, I actually stole that shirt from my mom, but she doesn't know. Tonight. I should wear this tonight. Yeah. I forgot that I even had this in my drawer. Or, guys, hold on. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna put on a short sleeve. Let's see what short sleeve I have. Let's see what short sleeve I have. Guys, do you guys think that this shirt is gonna look good? This one? I think so too. Okay. We're gonna use it. No. We're just gonna use it. Do you guys, this sweater is good? Only if I have pants match with it. I think I do, I don't know. That. And then, let's pick out some pants. Okay. Guys. Then we have to pick out my shoes. That's going to be a hard thing. And then these. Okay, I think that's going to suit me really good. So, let's go, y'all. Y'all going to come with me so I can pick out my shoes. I don't know what shoes to wear. So, we'll be right back into the video. Okay, we're back, y'all. I'm back over here. I just ran, you know. Okay, we're here. Should I wear these shoes, y'all? Ooh, oopsie. Should I wear these shoes? Or, guys, should I wear these shoes? I think we're going to wear these. Actually, no, we need a little bit pink. You know? These are. So we're going to wear these. Okay, y'all. We're going to be right back. See you guys. I'll see you guys in the next chapter. Back. So what I use for my face is usually this white stuff. If you guys can't see, yeah, you guys can probably see that white stuff. Can you see this white stuff? Yeah. So I put it on my hand, then I rub my hand together with my fingers, because usually I have to rub it in the back. I'm gonna make my soft skin soft. So yeah, so let's get into it. Woo! Okay, we're back. And good morning, Dada. I'll stay right there. Hey guys, so we're on my way to daycare right now. So yeah, we're on the way to my daycare.
FAMU alumni and creator of the HBCU Culture Shop. I am so proud of my new partnership with Black Beyond Measure.
We are just gonna show the way there. So yes, I'm wearing the coat. Mommy, why do you keep forgetting that the car is right behind? So this is how the view is looking. Guys, yeah, apparently my mom was still sleeping. Yes, my car. So, yes, that's the view. We're here, guys. So, yeah, we're here. This is going to be the best. So, let's go. Oh, I have to turn on. Mommy, can you take the vlog with you? So this is my daycare.
Alright, you have to turn it off.
It's drama. I just got back from daycare. So we are going to go to you guys a surprise. So, if you guys went to the Lehigh Valley Mall, we're going over there, but it's in the back. Mommy, are we going to the back of the mall? Oh yeah, the outside part. Yeah, so that's where we're going. I just got back from school, guys. And I have my tablet. And if you guys already know, we're going. Mommy, should I tell them? So yeah, we're gonna go and get my tablet. And I don't know what's gonna happen at all. And we're going to the Apple store. So let's sit you guys right here. This is my tablet. This is the thing that I use to cover y'all. Because I don't want to break my camera. Why is it like that? Yeah. about to go to Chick-fil-A. We have to wait, how many minutes, Mommy?
45.
We have to wait 45 minutes until we have to go back into the Apple Store to see what's going on with my tablet. And this is how the nature looks. And yeah. So let's just look at the nature. So that's how the nature looks. This is how it's usually gonna look when we're at the mall. Sephora. I love Sephora. This is the mall right here. It says Lehigh Valley Mall with the big sign. I think they're building something on the side, knocking down that store right there. And we're gonna go straight in. And when we make a right, that's where the Chick-fil-A is. But sometimes it is crowded in there.
First, we're gonna go to Sephora.
Okay, let's go to Sephora. Sephora we're going to, because my mom wants to go to Sephora. She loves Sephora. She loves getting makeup. We're on our way to Chick-fil-A. And we're here. We went to Sephora, and now we're at Chick-fil-A. So, yep, we're going inside right now. Because there's going to be a lot. Okay, so I'm going to shut off the camera, y'all. We're eating right now at Chick-fil-A. And we only have 5 minutes.
Go. Wipe it off, please.
There we go. Now we have to walk a block. It's gonna be a cheesecake factory, even though I don't like cheesecake, and my mom does, and my dad, but me. I got Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, it's my hand.
Guys, we are going back to the Apple Store because we had an appointment, so we're going there right now. Okay, guys, we are back. There is nothing wrong with my tablet. It is my charger. So we are gonna come back to Apple another day and see what's going on with my charger. But we did go get Chick-fil-A because I was hungry. And then I have to do homework. So, yeah. Mommy, can I do my homework in the car?
No.
So, yeah.
I shine so bright, you